16-pound cat.
Mom,
15-pound dog.
Mom, they're jumping each other.
You bounce on the trampoline.
Yeah, I can
Foxy, are you gonna get in the middle of this? I don't know if that's safe. Molly goes, I just want to play with my kitty. What do you think, Molly? Dippling. Ooh, he's going after Rosie. Rosie, you better watch it. You little 12-pounder. He'll take you down. You little chihuahua. He's gonna wait till you're not looking.
Good and nice. Look at Mr. Fox just on the bed. Look at him.
Oh, Foxy. Take it down. Hi, Molly. Are you playing with your kitty? You love your kitty. Yeah. Hi, Foxy boy. Ooh. That was a cheap shot there, Dippling. Boy, Molly knows how to play. That's amazing. You done? Are you done? Are you done? You calling a truce? Okay. Are you going to tell me a story? Huh? What story are you going to tell me, Foxy? You are a funny dog. Oh, Molly's so cute. I love you, Molly. You're a good girl. Yeah, you are. Yes. You funny puppies. You funny puppies.